came to see Dr. Cilento because of a sinus issue. Also, I had a deviated septum. So many people had told me how horrible that was to have fixed. I really wasn't in the mood to get this done. But I finally decided that yes, I would do it. So I had the septum repaired. I had balloon sinus surgery. And I almost had zero pain with the whole thing. The first day was even great. I can't say enough about how great Dr. Cilento has been with all my surgery and talking me through each step of the progress we've made.